In this video, we'll show you how to safely lift the front and back of your Jeep Grand Cherokee using standard lifting tools. You will simply need a jack, a pair of jack stands, and a rubber pad that protects your vehicle from friction with the jack. Your Jeep Grand Cherokee must be on level, smooth ground. You must be on ground where your vehicle will be balanced, where the jack stands cannot slip, and especially where your jack can accompany the movement of the vehicle at the same time as it lifts it. And if your Grand Cherokee is equipped with Quadra-Lift air suspension, you need to deactivate it before you jack your Grand Cherokee. There is a manufacturer procedure for this vehicle. On the center console, press the up and down suspension buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. A confirmation message indicating that jack mode has been enabled will appear on the screen. First of all, if the operation requires removing the wheels, start by loosening the wheel nuts before lifting the vehicle. For front lifting, insert the jack under the vehicle at door level and rest on the lifting point, which is a solid base for lifting and then securing your vehicle in complete safety. Place the jack stand under the front support point, then slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. You can now remove the wheel if needed. For safety, slip it under the vehicle as additional protection. If you need to lift both sides of your Grand Cherokee, repeat the steps for the other side. To put the vehicle back on the ground, start by putting the wheel back on the wheel hub if necessary, and retighten the nuts until they make contact. Reposition the jack and lift your Grand Cherokee until you can remove the jack stand. Then gently lower your vehicle to the ground. Then screw the nuts back on until they make contact. Finalize the tightening of the wheel using a torque wrench. To lift the rear of your Jeep Grand Cherokee, you can place the jack under the rear lifting point. You can place the jack stand under the rear support points as shown in the video. Then slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. To lower the back of your vehicle to the ground, reposition the jack and raise your Grand Cherokee until you can remove the jack stand. Then gently lower your vehicle to the ground. You can now safely perform many of the operations on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can now turn off the jack mode by pressing and holding the buttons for 3 seconds again. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.